How to add effects on Instagram notes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add special effects to your Instagram notes. It's a cool little trick that adds animation to your notes with just a simple emoji. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of the screen. And from here, simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner with your note mentioned in it. Now, you can type anything you want in your note, but here is the fun part. Instagram has a hidden effect that appears when you use certain celebration themed emojis. You can try adding emojis like balloon, birthday cake, party popper, and other festive emojis. And once you have posted your note, you'll see a cool celebratory animation appearing on the screen. And look at that, you get balloons and confetti and festive vibes filling up with your notes. And it's such a simple but fun way to make your message stand out. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.